Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Crunchyroll refusing to cast your Chromecast or does casting start and then stop immediately? It's a fix. First, go to your settings and confirm your phone and Chromecast are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi network since casting fails immediately if they are on different networks or brands, which is the single most common cause of this issue. Restart your Chromecast by unplugging it for 15 seconds and plugging it back in. Then wait for it to fully boot up. First close Crunchyroll on your phone from your recent apps and then reopen it. Since a stock casting session on phone side often blocks new casting attempts. Then go to your settings on your phone. Next go to general. Scroll down to VPN and device management and confirm that no VPN is active, since a VPN routes your traffic away from local network and breaks the local device discovery that casting depends on. Try casting again once both devices are confirmed on the same network. So all you've got to do is confirm the same Wi-Fi network, restart your Chromecast, force close and reopen Crunchyroll and turn off any VPN casting networks. That's it. Subscribe.